What's up, folks? Enrique Morris YouTube channel here for all of you. One more time, deliver adventure, good energy, and so much more, you know, through the eyes of the drone and terrestrial camera. Guys, I am here at the Cachoeira or Waterfall Anabelle. For all those who live in around the area, you know, come here. I'll invite you. The water is beautiful. The river, the drone shots, and the natural surround of all this place. Folks, don't forget that if you come into the natural environment, cuida sua natureza, galera. No joga lixo. Please remember that. Don't throw garbage in the natural environment. Keep safe. This beautiful planet, which is for all of us, is home, planet Earth, alright, guys? So, don't forget to check out my friend's channel. Qual é o nome do seu canal, irmão?
MTB Limeira.
MTB Limeira.
Sendo o dedo no like aí, galera, ó.
Vai.
Sendo o dedo.
Não esqueça de se inscrever. Beleza?
Segue nós lá no YouTube. Sendo o dedo no like.
Isso aí.
Sem parar. Sendo o dedo.
Muito obrigado por sua ajuda
nóis.
e esse carinho e amor.
Maravilha.
So, until the next time. Tchau, tchau.
Sendo o dedo no like, galera.